Sunday, November 6, 2022. We're at milepost 32 here on the Port Jefferson branch. We're at the Cold Spring Harbor Station. Today is the first day of standard time across the whole world here. And to boot, you're here to see a special treat on the weekends, which wouldn't be a normal pattern for equipment like this to run on the weekends. But anyway, we have M3s running between Penn Station and Huntington. Equipment came out of Babylon Yard. Prior is train 6019, and it is going east is train 7628. The train is running about 9 minutes late. Scheduled arrival time would be 11:56. So that train is running about 9 minutes late. Equipment on this one to lead this train, it's a 10-car set led by 9818 on the east end with 9907 on the west end. So we'll be seeing that train as the M3s are being resurrected back into service in preparation of the east side access to open up in a month. Okay, time now is 12:04 and 7648 should be arriving shortly, as it just went through the Woodbury Road crossing a little further down, a couple of miles away. We'll be arriving here probably around 12 minutes or so late. Alright, we do have the M3s coming in at 7628 now, as the gates are now coming down. And here comes 7628. Looks like we have a headlight out on this one. And Huntington will be the next to last stop for 7628. Alright, we're just east here at Huntington. Time now is 12:25. We'll be seeing the arrival of train 6611 with C3 cab car 5023 leading, DE30AC 414 on the rear, which is a 4-car set. Right behind the Port Jefferson Scoot will be the M3 set going out as train 7703, which we just saw prior over at Cold Spring Harbor, with the 9907, which will be leading on the west end. There are 3 generations of MUs in the extension here at Huntington. We have an M9 set right behind it, and then we have an M7 set all the way at the very east end. And train 6611 is just about passing by Hunt 3 here. Interlocking of Hunt 3. The very east end here at Huntington used to be called Corey Interlocking until the early 1980s. Side freight here at Huntington. And 7703, which will be coming out with this M3 set, will be right behind this one. Alright, he just turned on his headlights here. We're about to depart the extension here. And he's on the move now. And 6611 is now departing and heading into the extension as well. So 7703 is about to make its move here, as he actually just starting to make its move now. Alright, he's making his move now. taking a look at these M3s, you can see they're being refurbished here. It's evident here on the 9818, as the whole front is getting rejuvenated here with the strap pockets. The strap pocket door got rebuilt. The whole front got a brand new paint job, as you can see. There'll be about 100 of these cars in service within the next few weeks. There'll be 70 serviceable sets within the next week or two. Currently there are 2 in service, 2 sets of these in service, as the maximum of the M3 cars will be at 10 cars, as on the December 5th timetable the maximum cars will be 10 and not 12 that it used to be, because of the amount of cars needed for the east side access to Grand Central. Time now is 12:36. 7703 is about to depart here.